How to sign in quickly on Webex. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in quickly to Webex meeting so you can join your meetings without any delays. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Webex meeting app on your phone. And once you have opened it, you will see the interface like this. From here, simply tap on sign in button, and once you do that, you'll be prompted to the sign in page. Now here, simply type in your email address, and once you're done with that, simply click on next. But if you have a Google or Microsoft account linked, you can sign in even faster by selecting sign in with Google or Microsoft or even Facebook. Now on the next page, you simply need to enter your password and simply click sign in. And if prompted, complete the two-step verification for extra security. And once you're done with all that, you are successfully signed in Webex meeting. And that's it. That's how you can sign in quickly on Webex. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.